Hi, my name is Amiri. I'm the author of The Boy with Two Hearts. For me, the story is us leaving home. It's a story of love, family, unity, but also a story of hope. Where it started with a mum simply giving a speech for women's rights in Affganistan in the year 2000. That led for us to leave in a hurry, fleeing in a matter of days, embarking on a journey of 18 months across countries to get to UK. And then the story and the focus is about my older brother Hussein and the need of help and medical assistance that he needed for his complex heart condition. And NHS, our extended family, and what they mean for us. And I guess I was hoping I'd be telling a story from 20 years ago, but now I feel like I'm telling a story that could be happening right now back home in Afghanistan.